Maya's on the hunt again. That bird is just taunting Maya. Maya, get him. This Maya speak, boy. You're lucky there's some glass between us. Here comes the bird running into the window again. This Maya does not care for. What's up, Maya? I think this is the first time she's seen a bird so up and close and personal. I could be wrong, but this has just been going on today. I've never seen this before. Where'd he go, Maya? Where did Maya go? Hey. There's my girl. Okay. A happy hunt. Huh? Huh? You like chasing birds? Alright, fat cat. I'll see you later.